everyone, I'm Preeti and I'm going to teach you some home remedies on how you can strengthen your nails at home. But उससे पहले फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो बिग बास्केट के चैनल को ऐसे बहुत से मीनिंगफुल वीडियोस के लिए। पहले तो नेल्स क्यों खराब होते हैं? Number 1, dietary deficiencies. Nails are composed of a protein called keratin which protects them and prevents them from damage. इसलिए जरूरी हो जाता है कि आप अपने डाइट में प्रोटीन जरूर इंक्लूड करें in the form of meat, fish, lentils, pulses, dals, etc. If you're getting nail extensions frequently, then you might want to reconsider because they cause a huge damage to your enamel. I'm sure if you've gotten nail extensions before, then you know that they literally file your nail down to half of what it is and then put the extension on, and this causes a lot of damage to your enamel. And I know there's a lot of scheme going on. If I can talk from my experience, like salons have the first nail extension for around 3,000 and the topping up at half the price. So you end up going into this vicious cycle of going from one nail extension to another, completely damaging your nail beds. Also, if you know this, but whenever you get your nail extensions done, you also need to place your hand for curing under the UV radiation, which can cause further damage, discoloration, and can completely thin out the enamel. If you've seen the recent viral video of Kylie, she was found wearing gloves with nail cutouts just to protect her hand. So here are my top 3 DIY nail strengthening recipes. Number 1, garlic and olive oil. Garlic is rich in sulfur, which is essential for the production of keratin. When applied externally, the nutrients from the garlic can be absorbed into the nail as well as the cuticle, nourishing the nail bed and the surrounding skin. Garlic also has antifungal as well as antibacterial properties. Our next ingredient, olive oil, is also rich in vitamin E, which can help protect the nails from external damage. Olive oil is also known to be an excellent natural moisturizer which hydrates and prevents the nails from dryness. Now that the garlic is chopped, I'm going to place it into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it, preferably warm, as it helps in soaking up the good stuff from the garlic, and your infusion is ready. You can strain the oil after it has been infused with garlic. Straining can reduce the strong garlic smell, but it's also a matter of personal preference. Soak your nails for 15 to 20 minutes before wiping it off. For best results, you can leave the infusion overnight. Once you're done, you can also store it in a small container away from sunlight. Moving on to the DIY recipe 2, baking soda and lemon juice. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and squeeze a few drops of lemon juice. Mix it well and apply it on your nails. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then wipe it off. And you can always store the leftover in an airtight container and keep it away from sunlight. Baking soda has mild exfoliating properties. When used as a paste, it can remove the discoloration from your nails, making your nails feel cleaner and brighter. Lemon has vitamin C, and its acidic properties create an environment that makes it more difficult for bacteria and fungi to thrive on nails. Moving on to the third infusion, tomato as well as oatmeal paste. Chop a tomato and transfer it to a blender. Add some ground oatmeal to it, about a tablespoon, and blend it thoroughly. Now make sure that it's finely ground because that ensures that the paste is not lumpy and sits well on your nails and cuticles, making the application and massage more effective. Tomatoes are rich in essential vitamin A as well as C. Tomato also has biotin. Did you know that biotin is considered as a beauty vitamin because it helps promoting healthy skin, hair as well as nails? When tomatoes are applied topically, it penetrates the nails and provides direct nourishment to the nail plate, making it less prone to breakage. Oatmeal, on the other hand, acts as a gentle exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells and debris from the nail bed as well as the cuticles. And as I've already mentioned this before, but don't forget to save the leftovers in an airtight container and keep it away from the sunlight. So these were my top 3 infusions and DIY recipes which have been a game changer for my nail health. Pro tip, always moisturize your hands with a hand cream so that you can nourish your nails as well. I'm sure that you've noticed throughout the video that my nails are pretty short, and this is because I'm a mom to a toddler and I change his diapers, I change his nappies, so I use my nails in taking care of him on a daily basis. And now that I'm not getting any expensive manicures or using any nail extensions, I can see a clear difference in my nails and what taking care of your nails can be like a huge game changer. And these DIY recipes have immensely helped me, and I hope it does the same to you as well. If you found this video helpful and you have a few tips to share yourself, please don't forget to comment down below. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated on all the content posted by us.